Hi, this is Jeremy from Lingo Yes. And in this lesson, we're going to learn 别闹了, 别闹了. Alright, let's explain this phrase. 别 is like don't, stop. 闹 is like messing around. So it's like stop messing around. But it doesn't have that strong connotation or strong tone to say stop messing around. It's more like a gentle way, a very nice way to say stop messing around. Okay, stop it. A very, cute way. Alright, let me give you some example to see in what kind of situation you can use 别闹了, 别闹了. 别闹了，再闹妈妈生气了。别闹了，再闹妈妈生气了。And stop pranking around, stop messing around. If you keep doing that, mom will get angry. Mom will get angry. 我们今天去迪士尼玩吧。别闹了，我还要加班呢。别闹了，我还要加班呢。Well, let's go to Disney today. Knock it off, knock it off. I have work to do. I have work to do. I have overtime work. Here is another situation you can use 别闹了，别闹了. For example, a couple, right? They're showing affection publicly, which I hate the most. 秀恩爱, and they're like kissing each other, and one want to stop, because it doesn't feel very good, because people are staring at you two guys. So you say, 别闹了，别闹了，这么多人在呢，这么多人在呢. Alright, it's like, stop it. There's so many people staring at us, so stop, keep showing affection. And most cases, boyfriend will use 别闹了. Because they try to, some girls you have no idea why they're doing this, right? Sometimes they're just pissed off, they just get angry for not giving them enough gifts, or sometimes you didn't really care their feelings. Like as a boyfriend, there are a lot of situations you will encounter. So most times, the boys will say, 别闹了，别闹了，给你买糖吃，给你买糖吃. Like, don't messing around. It's more like that gentle way, and I will buy some candies for you. So next time, if you want to say knock it off or stop messing around, you can use 别闹了. Alright, I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.